Good afternoon, traders. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, pushing for the Land of Horizons. So today is Saturday, 16 November 2024. This is my weekly forex analysis, technical analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Waves. Can use it to trade forex, any instrument, crypto, stock, indices, commodities, as long as you understand it. Please bear in mind that the video you're about to watch is my personal view about the expectations in the market and not an advice to buy or sell. The financial market involves a lot of risk. Get a proper education before risking your money. The green or any other colored boxes you see in this video are areas I expect the market to react. And never a trade setup where a particular instrument must buy or sell. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Feel free to share with others. I wish you the best. May God bless you. Yes, this is just a disclaimer. You need to have knowledge before you trade, because no matter how good is your analysis, it can fail. So following my analysis, make sure you understand how it works. Or if you're looking for a mentor, I can be one. I have a mentorship program which you can join. And before you know it, you'll be good. So all this is a forecast, not a, for instance, this is DXY. You see the forecast that it will get into the green box, but it didn't get there and reversed. So the next target is that it will get into this green box. So if you are trading DXY, what I expect is that DXY will buy once more. Meanwhile, I don't jump in. It's never a good idea to jump in. You need to buy at a proper place. I didn't buy out of panic. I like to buy at a good price. That is when the correction is somehow normal. For instance, if DSY keeps going up from here, I will leave it. But if it comes down to this, this zone, I will buy because I know it is still going up. But if it keeps going up from here, no problem. I look for another pair. So you see here, it entered my buy zone. I bought and I closed it, I think here or here. I have forgotten. So I will buy again. If it drops to this zone, then I will buy. If not, I will not buy. Not the more that I will trade every day. So trading it requires patience and knowledge. So that's for DXY. It is still buying. I don't think that if you entered 109, even 110 before we look for sell. That's for DXY. USD card is also buying, but it is very, very near to the reversal zone. Okay, it's entered the reversal zone. So what we're gonna do is to go down to 1 hour or 15 minutes and they look for setup. I'm not looking for setup. Right now, no setup, even at 15 minutes. So USD card, if you are buying, my advice is that you close your buy, because it will either begin to sell or at least it will give correction. Either it sell like this, or it will just do something like this before buying it again. So all this move is a very big move. Okay, so try to catch USD chef. USD chef, same situation. They have touched the reversal zone, and if you look, all this place is the reversal zone. Will it go deeper or will it go down from here? I don't know. So all you're gonna do is to look for reversal pattern for sell, either a 1 hour time frame. Then if you don't know what sell setup is, you better join my class. I'll teach you everything: how to count wave, how to spot a nice sell or buy setup. This is what I teach my students. So you can be one if you wish. I don't charge much. Instead of wasting your money, losing trade week in, week out, why not pay the 2 money and learn? You can learn from anybody. If you want to learn from me, fine. If you don't want, get yourself a good mentor who can teach you rather than wasting your money. Trading on gambling, yes. If you don't have knowledge, you are simply gambling, not trading. Okay, that's for USD chef. The next is EURUSD. EURUSD, I want to buy, but right now, the market seems to still going down. Okay, you can see we have a reversal zone here. All this zone is our reversal zone. So how deep will it go? I don't know. All I know that Whenever I see buy top, I have to take the buy. Right now, no buy top. Meanwhile, you can still sell, but since the reversal pattern zone is near, I don't want to sell again because they have touched the reversal zones. Can keep going up from here. So, but if you keep going up from here, I will not know when and where to buy. But it seems it's going to drop a little bit further. Maybe something like this before it will now buy. So let's keep watching. The next is pounds USD. Pounds USD. Let me remind you what I've been showing you for a long time on pounds USD on daily pattern. See, when you know wave pattern, you are good to go. For a long time, I'm saying that pounds USD will give us this ABC. So right now it is almost going to be completed. When all these things was happening, I know that it will surely drop. So the other thing we teach you, if you join us, you will be prepared to face the market on time. I know it's been taken by surprise. So let's go down to 1 hour to see how we can now sell or buy pounds USD. So pounds USD have gone a long way down, and it will likely keep selling. But the point is that when market goes from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, it may not continue selling until it do something like this before it will sell again. So now I'm looking for something that will make. I'm looking for buy. That's the thing. So when I get price up top, I will buy. Afterwards, I will sell because we still have more rooms for dropping. That's upon USD. USD. USD is where I have a kind of surprise. Let me show you why I'm surprised. On USD, I didn't expect all this to drop down to this place before correcting. So I was expecting that we may get a kind of A, B, C before dropping again. But in all things, it made A, B, C, what we call expanding flat. Then it keeps dropping. So now, if you are selling, I suggest that you wait for it to give us a buy correction before you continue selling, or else you may end up losing your money. So now I have two things in mind. The current place, I expect it to buy from here. Then if it drops once more, fine. But I want to see it buy before I now begin to sell again. It will still sell, but it will buy first as correction. All this move must give us some percentage of correction before it will begin to sell again. So don't pressing it here is not advisable because it may still drop further. But if it didn't drop further, I want to see it at least come to this zone before I will now begin to sell again. That's for AUD/USD. Using the USD, the situation, I want it to buy before I begin to sell again. For now, it has gone a long way down. So it may not continue going down, though I may see another leg down before it begins to buy. But I don't want anybody to sell from here unless you are a scalper. A scalper can trade at any time, at anywhere, because they use 1 minute chart, 5 minutes chart to trade. So which I'm a swing trader. If you're a swing trader, I don't think it makes sense to sell further because we have more to gain when the buy begins. Okay. JB225. I don't have much to explain on YMPS and JB225, rather than I say that if you're not careful, it will take you by surprise. JB225 is selling, YMPS are selling. So what you're gonna do is if you haven't entered any sell setup, then look for pullback, then you sell. I suppose we're gonna get a new low. Whether we get a new low or not, we have a lot to gain selling YMPS. For instance, this is EURUSD. My first prediction is that we are getting a new low to give us wave B, because to me this is A, B, C. This is wave A, this is A, B, C, wave B. Then wave C will give us a new low. Even if all this move is correction, then if this is impulse, which I doubt, at least we will get a deeper move, maybe down here before buying. So there are some more rooms to sell EURUSD, same as USD The selling will, I expect to give me a new low, but even if it will not, it will at least give us a kind of 50 or 60% correction, maybe something like this. If you don't give us a new, if you drop to this zone, which is a very big money to make if you are selling. So if you haven't sold, look for setup, look for drop, look for what do you call it, correction of or pullback, then you sell. This one, I expect a new low. From here, I expect it to give me a new low. This is my primary target is a new low. Meanwhile, even if it's going to give me a new low, it will likely come to this zone before buying again. So get yourself selling on any yen pairs. That's what the money is. Gold on gold. Gold, this dropping can be counted as impulse, but I counted it as correction. You can see A, B, C. That is with W, with X, another A, B, C with Y. So I see it as a correction. I will only change my mind if it give me another big drop. Then I will cancel correction and count it as an impulse. Then wait for this and sell again. But for now, I expect it to give me this move up, to give me a new high. Meanwhile, I have a way to know whether it will happen or not. For now, this is a reversal zone. Not 100% sure it has reversed. All this one, I would explain it here. If you are a student and you don't understand it yet, you give me a message at our Telegram page and I will explain more. Same goes to silver. Silver, we always do like gold. So meanwhile, silver, this is supposed to end, but the way I'm looking at it, it will likely truncate. It will likely truncate. So if you go down to 1 hour, we know that going lower may not be possible, but I'm looking for it to buy. Either give us a new high or at least buy to some level before selling again, if it want to sell again. So to me, silver and gold have not finished their impulse move. So